Tired of pouring your heart into a sustainability pitch that no one's buying? Don't worry, it's not your fault. In this video, we'll show you how to stop relying on facts, stats, and environmental benefits that people ignore and start using behavioural science to make your idea, product, or initiative irresistible. If you want to convert more people and drive real change, stick around. We've got the science to help you fix your pitch. You've got a great sustainability product or initiative, but no one's buying it. You've tried everything. Explaining the environmental benefits, sharing facts, have an awesome looking slide deck, but people just aren't responding. Sound familiar? The problem with your pitch is that you're trying to convince people with logic, but here's the harsh truth. People don't make decisions based on facts alone. They're driven by emotions, status, belonging, and quick gut reactions. If you don't believe me, I want you to imagine for a moment you want to buy a roast vegetable sandwich for lunch. You walk from the office to the nearby food hall. There are lots of other people out to get their lunch, and you navigate your way through the crowd. There is lots of noise and smells and activity, and you eventually arrive at the sandwich shop area of the food hall. When you arrive, you find that there are two shops that sell roast vegetable sandwiches. They both look the same, have a similar menu, they have exactly the same prices, and as far as you know, they sell exactly the same tasty style sandwiches of the same quality. The shop on your right has a queue of 10 people waiting to place their order, and the shop on your left is completely deserted. Not a single customer. Which line do you join? Most people would join the line on the right. Why? We've all made that choice. It just felt like the safer option, right? That's because your caveman brain, your emotional brain, is telling you to go where others are. It's safer, and everyone else must know something you don't. This is a conformity bias, known as the bandwagon effect. Your emotional brain is also the reason why you jump during a scary movie scene, even when you know it's not real. And this same emotional decision-making process is why your sustainability pitch about all the great environmental benefits falls flat. Our brains evolved to keep us alive, not to analyze facts. Think of your brain as having two parts, the executive thinking brain and the emotional brain. Here's the kicker. Your emotional brain, the one responsible for that gut feeling, makes 88% of your decisions. So while you're trying to appeal to the tiny 12% that uses logic, the emotional brain is making snap decisions based on shortcuts. The reason we use emotions is that our brains receive nearly 11 million bits of information every second from the things we see, hear, smell, and feel. But our executive thinking brain can handle only around 120 bits of information a second. So our brain takes shortcuts and makes most of our decisions on autopilot using emotions like that gut feeling you had at the sandwich shop. Here's the exciting part. Behavioural science can help you fix your pitch. The key? Speak to your audience's emotional brain. Make sustainability aspirational. Show them it's about status, belonging, and what others are doing. That's how you'll make your pitch irresistible. Ready to transform your sustainability pitch? Don't wait. Head to our website, download our free pitch template, and start getting more people on board today. Don't let your hard work go to waste. Use the science that drives real change. The link to the free download is in the description. Grab it now before your next pitch. This startup used our pitch template to go from almost being eliminated to the winners of a $10,000 prize in a prestigious pitch competition. Now, if you found this video useful, why not share it with your network? You never know. It might just be the thing someone else needs today to make a positive impact in the world.